Hey guys, thanks for joining me on this video. I'm going to make a super quick video on how to invest $100 on WeBull. I know that I've been mainly using the Robinhood app, but if you guys know Robinhood, then you probably know WeBull as well. There are several videos on YouTube explaining the difference between these two apps, the differences and the similarities. So I won't go into that, but I will show you guys how I invested $100 onto the WeBull app. I'm very comfortable on Robinhood, so I wanted to try WeBull, and I wanted to try a different approach. I wanted to try a more long-term approach starting on WeBull by just not day trading, not swing trading, just buying stocks and sitting on them, as many traditional and long-term investors do, sit on their stocks for 5 to 10 years. So I want to show you guys, if that's the method that you want to take, if you're not comfortable with starting off day trading or swing trading, then start this way. So $100, as soon as you open a WeBull account, you will get a free stock. You will attach your bank information, link your bank account, and deposit $100 into your WeBull app. And this is what I did. And this is what you can do. You don't have to. This is what I did. Make your watch list. Your watch list should consist of companies that you understand. Companies that you can describe to people. Companies that you would be proud to be part owner of. Because that's exactly what a share is. You are buying parts of a company. You are essentially becoming an owner. A shareholder owns a share in the company, and a share is a small piece of that company. So think about it that way. Think about it in a sense of what you understand, what you willingly pay for, participate in, things like that. What you think drives the economy in your own way, in your own sense, something that you can understand. If you don't understand biopharmaceutical companies, do not invest in biopharmaceutical companies. If you don't understand technology, don't invest in technology. If you understand retail, if you understand food, if you understand utilities, natural oils, natural resources, things like that, whatever, then that's what you invest in. Invest in what you know. Create a watch list of companies that you know, that you understand. As you have that money in your account, watch these companies. Watch these companies and how these numbers fluctuate. Today is a pretty good day for the market. Things are going up. Generally, when you see this much green on your watch list, you're not going to be buying today. Today's not the day to buy. You want to buy in on a red day. And I know that sounds very simple, but essentially it can be that simple when you're investing in the long term. You will also want to follow with the news. If any company that you're watching ends up on the news, that will affect any daily fluctuations. While you're watching, while you're researching, really pay attention to these trends. How often do the stocks you're watching follow the market trend? When do they break? And when do things kind of crash, in a sense? So what I did is I put in $100 into my WeBull account right as the market was experiencing a particular crash. Donald Trump tweeted something about the feds not being able to do their job, and it actually sent a lot of stocks down because it created a lot of disconfidence within shareholders and people that were long-term investing. So they pulled out a lot of their stocks. This, to me, became a buying opportunity. There was a lot of red. So if I go down here to trade, which is at the very center, at the bottom, see there's a lot of buttons on WeBull, so don't get confused. Really pay attention to what you're doing. If we go to trade, it will show you currently the 3 stocks that I am invested in. And because it's only $100, I only have one of each. Now, if you'll see, T is AT&T, Roku, And ABEV is Ambev, which is the free stock that I was given by WeBull, which is coincidentally the worst performing one. But if you see right next to symbol, there's quantity, market value, last average price, and then unrealized profit and loss. So what I did, with combination of using some indicators like the RSI, you guys should absolutely know what the RSI indicator is. If you don't know what the RSI indicator is, please look it up on YouTube, on Investopedia, on whatever platform you use to teach yourself about stocks and learn about the RSI. RSI helps me know when to buy a stock. So if I look here at AT&T, I'll show you I only have one, but I bought it at a price of exactly $27. That was at probably its lowest low of the year because of this tweet that Trump let out. And I took it out as a buying opportunity. I bought in at 27, and since then the stock has gone up to 30.18. So when my RSI indicator shot down below 30, that became a good indication to me that I could buy a stock of AT&T and hold on to it for the long run. And since then, it's only been profit. It has not dipped down lower than my original investment, and I am very pleased with my decision to buy in on a day that the market seemingly crashed. You want to buy low and you want to sell high. If you're not, planning on selling for the next 5 to 10 years, then you really need to understand how low to wait for. All right, guys. So as you can see, I've only spent $27 on AT&T, and I only spent $28 on Roku. So obviously that's not $100, which leaves me some money in my account to actually wait around for something else, for another good purchase, for that great moment when fear takes over the market and people start selling off. That market dips, and then that's when growth investors or value investors or people that understand the long-term profitability will jump in and take what Warren Buffett says is honestly just the best thing to do. Take I don't know what the quote is, guys, but if you know what Warren Buffett would do. I hope I didn't ruin this video at the end, but thank you again for watching. Please like or even dislike if you don't like it, and comment and subscribe. Thank you guys very much. If you like this channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you on there, and I would love to hear what you have to say. So thank you guys, and have a great day.